Blackout the barn area. This one was key. So while I was giving my presentation in here, my fire chief and my partner that was there, we emptied out the barn and we put a tarp up, so we only used half the barn. We filled it with artificial smoke. Now, we've all seen that, or for the most part, we've all seen that. So what I challenged the people that were there, I said, okay, you've been in this barn for 5 years, 4 years, maybe since May. You know where your stall is. Walk out here and walk to your stall. One woman actually, I said, visualize, and we were having this conversation yesterday, I said, visualize this is your barn. And oddly enough it was, so it wasn't. She started to sob because she was picturing her horse and we couldn't do anything. So they were lost. So we also showed them some of the equipment that we have. So we pulled out our thermal imaging camera and these girls took some selfies. But it was good. Hey, why not? Now they know, holy crap, how are you able to do what you're able to do? How can you save me? Well, this is how. We use technology. We've educated them. What was the downside to this? Zero.